In this video, we are going to show you how to connect an Instagram account to Elfsight. Now, to do this, you actually need to use an Elfsight widget, as always, to connect an Instagram account or a link towards an Instagram account to your website. All you need to do is sign to your account, and this time you want to click on your profile at the upper right corner of your screen like so. Once you're here, you want to look at your left-hand side. There's an option that says Add New App, so click this. It's going to bring us to the apps catalog, as you can see. And here on the right-hand side, there's a search bar here. We want to click on Instagram, right? So Instagram. You're going to see all the Instagram options here. So you have feed, chat, social feed. So the best way and the simplest way is just to use social media icons. Click on this, right? And just choose Instagram, right? So you can just choose social icons like so, or fixed icons, however you want. And if it's just Instagram, you just want to click on three dots and click delete and just leave Instagram. After that, click on publish here in the upper right corner of your screen and you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.